Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for an LLC. First, you'll want to choose a distinctive business name that meets your state's naming requirements and is not already in use. This is a crucial first step, as your name defines your brand. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent, an individual or company responsible for receiving legal and tax documents on behalf of your LLC. This agent must have a physical address in the state where you are forming your business. Understanding these initial steps sets a strong foundation. Once your name is chosen and agent appointed, the next step is filing your articles of organization with the state. This document officially registers your LLC. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, which can vary significantly, often between $50 and $500. After your LLC is approved, you'll need to secure an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This 9-digit number is like a social security number for your business, vital for taxes and opening a dedicated business bank account. A critical internal document for your LLC is the operating agreement. While not always legally required, it's highly recommended to define how your business will be run, including member responsibilities, voting rights, and how profits and losses are shared. This helps prevent future disputes. Additionally, remember to stay compliant with your state's ongoing requirements, such as filing annual reports or paying franchise taxes. Finally, investigate any specific licenses or permits your business might need to operate legally within your industry. With your LLC officially formed, there are a few essential post-formation steps. First, open a separate business bank account. This is crucial for maintaining your limited liability protection and simplifying financial management. Next, set up an effective accounting system to meticulously track all your business income and expenses. This will be invaluable for tax season and understanding your financial health. Finally, consider consulting with legal and tax professionals. Their expertise can help ensure your LLC is set up for long-term success and compliance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.